So this is part of what you need to do for the list page. You should not copy mine. You should do your own colors, your own things like that. You should have different books or TVs or movies. And for the first two samples, I actually give you the full 5. For the definitions, you need to have 5 definitions on an area that you're interested in or majoring in. And for the nested list, you need to have 5 bands with 3 songs each. So I'm showing you the pattern so that you can keep going from there. You're not supposed to just copy what I'm doing. You're supposed to use it as a pattern. So let's take a look at the code. Now, anytime that you're looking at any of my links or any of the working class, I put the link to it so you can go back and view this page source so that you can see it while you're working on it. And I'm trying to put in the Emmet codes in here that I use as comments. So you don't need to type these. This is just showing you the shortcuts I used in Emmet so that if I wanted to do the unordered list with 5 list items, it's UL greater than LI times 5. That's an ordered list containing list items, 5 of them. And then you'd hit tab and that creates those. So I had to do a couple of styles, and I did these at the top of the page because all the pages are styled a little differently for links. And they would override the styles.css because they come after it. Now, if I had this styles.css beneath the style sheet here, then its styles would win if 2 things styled the same item. So I added a style for an unordered list to put in the list style type square, and I made the definition portion, the term, teal. So in the body of the list page, I have included that class container, the H1 of lists, and then the link back to the home page, and then I have an H2 saying that this is an unordered list. So unordered lists start with UL, and they give you their bulleted list, and the bullets can change, and you style those in the style section using CSS. The unordered list, OL greater than LI times 5, puts this all in here. You don't style, you tell it what type it is right in the HTML. So type A, you could also have a lowercase a. The default is to number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So you'll do 5 of your own list items in each of these. As we're progressing, I've only given you 1 or 2 samples. So for the definitions, you have a definition list, DL, or description list. I've seen it both ways. The W3 School says it's a description list. I always learned it as a definition. But you have your term, DT. My term is scaffolding, and then you close that, and beneath it, you put in the definition, DD, and then close the DD. So you will need to take this pattern and repeat it 4 more times. For the nested statements, we have an ordered list, and like we were able to change the type here, we can also change the start. So we started at 100. And then when you're nesting things, notice that it opens the list item but does not close it till after the nested ordered list. That's really important. So you open the list item, you put in the band, then you start the new ordered list inside it, close that interior one, and then you close the list item. That's how you nest them. And again, this is a pattern with 2 of them. It is not the complete assignment. You need to have a total of 5 bands with 3 songs each.